What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm working on my cousin's Fatboy. It's a 2004. It's fuel injected. So he wanted to do some passing lights. So I got the passing lights on. I'm removing the turn signals. Won't be needing those no more. And pretty much done. All I really need to do is get the headlight, the passing light wire connected to the headlight. So I might be adding a switch on here, that way he can turn it off and on when he doesn't want the lamps on. So pretty much almost all done. I added a soft tail bracket because he originally purchased one that came off of Road King. It was a little bit wider, so I removed that. I switched the lamps, the wiring. Now I'm pretty much done. I have the gas tank off right now, so gas tank's off. The wire for the passing lights is already connected under right there, and I just got to remove these, put the tank back on, get the seat back together, and the switching should be almost done. It's looking good. So just want to let you guys know a little bit of what I'm doing today. Alright, so this is the final result. This is what the results look like. Passing lamps on a 2014 Fatboy. This is an anniversary edition. Turn signals are working. Let's check the other side.